Okay, hi everybody. Here is your Saxon Lesson 29. Today is Friday. Yay! All right, so for Friday, we will be learning about contractions. Okay, before we start, let's get back to the history of England. So we talked about this a little bit before. We're going to go ahead and pick up where we left off. So the land from which our language originated. What was happening in Britannia when we last discussed this? The Romans had returned to Italy, right? If you remember, we talked about what the Romans did for the Celts, who are now called the Bretons. The Romans protected the Bretons from invaders. After the Romans left, what do you think happened to the Bretons? They were invaded. Very good. That's right. A group called the Picts acted like Bretons from the north in an area that we now know that is now known as Scotland. At the same time, there were also a few other groups who wanted the Celts' lands. So the king of Britannia thought of a plan to prevent this from happening. He hired some fierce warriors from the area that is now northern Germany to help protect Britannia from invasion. He promised these people treasure and land if they would help him. The tribes of people the king hired were known as Angles, the Saxons, or the Jutes. Angles, Saxon, and Jutes. I'm going to write that down. These tribes brought ships full of people to Britannia to fight. The Angles, the Saxons, and the Jutes helped Britannia win the battle against the Picts. Who can remember the name of the tribes that the king hired to help protect Britannia? They were the Angles, the Saxons, and the Jutes. The Angles, the Saxons, and the Jutes lived in a land that is now what we call Germany. Okay? The land where England is now has already gone through a number of changes, and our story isn't even finished yet. We will have to pick up this story later, though. Okay, let's get ready to learn about our letter, picture, and sight word cards. Okay. Go ahead. Diagraph CK, diagraph TH, diagraph SH, diagraph CH, combination ER, combination IR, combination UR, combination QU, combination AR, combination OR, combination WH. Very good. I just realized that I might have gone really fast on these the last times I did them, and I apologize for that. Okay, picture cards. You ready? So just repeat after me. Apple, A. Acorn, A. Elephant, E. Equal, E. Inch, I. Icicle, I. Octopus, O. Overalls, O. Umbrella, A. Unicorn, U. Balloon, B. Cat, K. Dog, D. Fish, F. Goat, G. Hat, H. Jar, J. Kite, K. Lion, L. Monkey, M. Nest, N. Pig, P. Rabbit, R. Sun, S. Tent, T. Vest, V. Wagon, W. Yarn, Y. Zebra, Z. Fox, X. Duck, K. Feather, Z. Thimble, Th. Shark, Sh. Cheese, Ch. Anchor, K. Chef, Sh. Rose, Z. Butter, Bird, Turtle, Quilt, Qu. star R, dollar horse or, doctor worm whale w. Very good. Excellent. All right, sight word cards. We just have two cute little easy ones, and those are was, ate. Very good. All right. Now you're going to get out your spelling high frequency word practice 29. We're going to practice some of our sounds. Okay? 29. So go ahead and pass that out, Miss Selena. Thank you. All right, let's get started. I'm going to write them down with you guys. Okay. Number 1. Remember, you echo after me, so when I say it, you say it after me. Okay? Number 1, apple, ah. Number 2, elephant, eh. Number 3, inch, eh. Number 4, octopus, ah. Number 5, umbrella, Number 6, acorn, a. Number 7, elephant, eh. Number 8, icicle, I. Number 9, number 9, overalls, O. Number 10, unicorn, U. Number 11, balloon, B. Number 12, dog, D. Number 13, fish, F. Number 14, goat, G. Number 15, hat, H. Number 16, jar, J. Number 17, lion, L. Number 18, kite, K. Cat, K. Duck, K, C, K. Number 19, monkey, Number 20, nest, 21, pig, P. 22, rabbit, 23, sun, S. 24, tent, T. 25, vest, V. 26, wagon, W. 27, yarn, Y. 28, zebra, Z. Rose, Z. 29, fox, X. 30, feather, Z. TH with a line through it, okay? 31, thimble, Th. Digraph TH. 32, shark, sh. 33, cheese, ch. Digraph CH. 34, butter, combination ER. 35, quilt, qu. Combination QU. 36, star, R. Combination AR. 37, horse, or. Combination OR. And 38 is whale, W. Combination WH. Very good. Okay, so this is how your paper should look. I'll show you. If you want to pause the video so you can make sure you have them all down, go ahead and pause the video now. Okay. Moving on. All right, so now turn your paper over. Let's practice some review words. Next to number 1, I want you to write the word whip. So turning your paper over here where it says review words, next to number 1, write the word whip. Whip. How do you spell whip, class? W-H-I-P. Very good. Number 2, spell the word corn. Corn. How do you spell corn? C-O-R-N. Very good. Number 3, spell the word master. Master. M-A-S-T-E-R. Very good. Next to number 4, where it says sight words, I want you to write the word the. The. T-H-E. Next to number 5, spell the word to. T-O. Next to number 6, spell the word together. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Very good. All right. Now, moving on, I am going to write this word on the board. All right. What do we call this mark right here between the E and the LL? Who can tell me? This is called an apostrophe. Very good. And who can tell me what letter we've been seeing after the apostrophe? S. Very good. What does the apostrophe usually mean? That it belongs to someone or it's ownership to, right? So, but this word doesn't have an apostrophe S, so it can't mean belonging to. This word is different from the others we've been talking about. What is this word? This word is what? She. Very good. And what sound do these two L's make? Oh, very good. Right, this is the word she'll, as in she'll come to my party. The word she'll is called a contraction. A contraction is one or more word that is made by putting together two separate words and shortening them. So, what two words do you think make up the word she'll? She'll. What two words? She will. Very good. She will. She'll is short for she will, but part of the word will is missing. What letters are missing? W and I. What did I write on the board for the missing W-I instead? I wrote a apostrophe. When we write contractions, we put an apostrophe in the place of any missing letters. The English language has about 70 contractions. Most of them are made by leaving out two letters, just like this example on the board. Some contractions, though, are missing one letter. Let's look at a few examples. So here are some other examples of contractions. Let me write them down for you. We have didn't, we're, I'm, we'll, let's, and he's. All right. What two words make up the word didn't? What two words make up the word didn't? Did not. Very good. Did not. What is the missing letter? The O in not. So instead of writing a O, we wrote a apostrophe. So didn't is shortened for did not, right? Very good. All right. How about this one? We're. We are. Instead of the A, what did I put? An apostrophe. Very good. So we are, the shorter way to say that is we're. So we are going to the park. We're going to the park. How about I'm? What letter's missing in I'm? The A. I am. I am happy. I'm. Okay. How about here? We'll. We'll go together. Will. What's missing? We will. So W and I is missing in will. We will. Let's. Let us. Let us. Like let's go. Let us go. Right? So instead of the U, we wrote an apostrophe. And he's really smart. He is really smart. So instead of the apostrophe, you can put an I, and it's he is. Very good. Okay. We're going to play a game. I'll say two words, and you have to tell me the contraction for the two words. Here's the first one. I will. What contraction will these two words make? I'll. Very good. How about who is? Whose. Good job. Cannot. can't. Very good. I am. I'm. Good job. Did not. Didn't. Good. He will. He'll. Very good. It is. It's. They are. There. Have not. Haven't. Very good. All right. So let's take our spelling high frequency word practice sheet out one more time where it says new words next to 7, 8, and 9 right over here. I want you to write these words down for me. Next to number 7, I want you to write the word down he's. He's. H-E''S. Very good. Next to number 8, spell the word I'll. I''LL. Very good. Next to number 9, spell the word she'll. SHE'll. Looks just like that. Very good. Okay. So I'm going to give you a minute. You're going to read all of these contractions on the bottom, and then and some of them are not contractions, like pick, some and pick is not. And then go ahead and write them down. All right. I'll give you a minute to do that. Okay. When you are done with that, you will put that away in your take-home binder or your take-home folder. The next thing we're going to do is Miss Selena is going to pass out worksheet 29 and homework 29. Okay, contractions. So this is really easy. You're going to read the word he'll, and he'll is what? Is it he did, he is, or he will? He will. Very good. So then you're going to bubble in he will. You understand? Just like that. And you're going to do that for all of these, the front and the back. All right. When you're done, you're going to turn these in to Miss Selena. Miss Selena, I'm going to ask you to pick these up for me. I'm going to take these as a grade, okay? All right. And my onliners, same for you. Make sure you take a picture and turn it in to me on Google Classroom. I'm taking them for a grade. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Have fun learning about contractions. All right. See you later.